Topic: Introduction to Physics. Physics is a pure science that deals with exact measurement. Every measurement in this world requires two things. One, a number or quantity, and two, a unit. Without such numbers and units, life itself will be meaningless. Example, we have 10 meters. Without the meters, 40 seconds. Unit in science makes it possible for us to distinguish between quantities. For example, we can distinguish 10 meters from 10 kilograms. 10 meters is talking about the distance. 10 kilograms is talking about quantity or amount. The table below shows some fundamental quantities and their units. Quantities, unit, and their unit abbreviation. 1. Length. The unit of length is meters, abbreviated M. Time, second, S. Mass, kilogram, kg. Electric current, ampere, A. Temperature, Kelvin, K. And amount of substance, mole. The table below shows some derived quantities and their units. Area, A. Length times breadth, unit, M squared. Volume, V. Length times breadth times height, M cube. Density, rho. Mass over volume, kilogram per meter cube. Velocity, V. Displacement over time, meter per second. Acceleration, change in velocity over time, meter per second squared. Force, F. Mass times acceleration, Newton. Energy or work, force times distance, joule. Power, P. Work over time, watt. Momentum, mass times velocity, kilogram per meter per second. Pressure, P. Force over area, Newton per meter squared. Frequency, F. Number of oscillations. Electric charge, current times time, measured in coulomb. Electric potential difference, work over charge, volt. Electric resistance, volt over current, ohms. And then electric capacitance, charge per voltage, which is measured in farads. That is the end of the introduction to physics.